Man Don't Care Don't. You know what I'm saying?
How do you ask Jamaican? He's a. Ask him.
A nail polish company comes to you and say, hey, for 200 million, 2 million, one day, 24 hours, we'll nail polish and promote it on your personal page. Shut up! And promote it on your personal page. Right? On your personal TikTok and your personal Instagram for $2 million. We'll nail polish for 24 hours or for the day.
Do you think I'm a cross?
You would rather, you would.
When you go to all you can eat, you have to follow the fat guy. Yo.
You really follow me?
I followed you to follow the food.
Wait, so Drew, you're saying that your masculinity can be destroyed by paint?
Oh.
By Benjamin,
So you're basically telling me we already know the fact.
So you're saying like if a paint touches your nail, like
no,
that's what I'm saying. I want to go home.
So he's trying to Cersei the tea the situation. No, you're not doing that. What we're trying to say is
that's crazy.
We know he said
in this day and age, that's
Bro, you're supposed to take this stuff
Yeah, I didn't know that.
and give it to him to cook.
This is my
Bro,
first,
what's wrong with you?
This is my first time here. I don't know.
Yeah, novice.
No, they make the same difference to a piece
Eating
of
raw corn, bro. Yo, for $5 million, I could paint my whole body. Like, who's that shit?
French toast?
$5 million?
French toast?
$5 million.
That's what we're talking about. It's not about paint.
Wait.
He said a nail polish company for women.
Yeah, I just do the clear polish.
That's literally what happened.
No.
Smart?
No, it's not about that.
Smart?
French tips.
NCAA player just
Brother,
got that
French
same
tips?
What French is it?
That's what he's talking about.
You can do clear French tip.
No, we're talking about the woman version. We're not talking about that. You see how you're trying to remix
Weekend White's been
it?
on business.
Okay, now you're going too far.
You want to take to Weekend White? Regardless,
Okay,
it's 24 hours.
Slow down,
It's
Nick.
one day.
Slow down,
I
Jack
was gonna
City.
say,
Bro, what do you get?
I got live food, man.
What is this?
I gave them a live cow and they made this for me. Jesus.
I got pad thai.
And
is this something in the air up
There's
there?
something up there. Tippy toe. Get closer.
I guess.
Because
it's
for
the
a
bullshit you're
6
smelling
foot
on the
something
floor.
man to say, I'll
It's the
put French
bullshit you're
tip.
smelling on the floor. That's what it is.
Pink is kind of wild still.
If I can pick the color.
At least be masculine.
No, you can't pick it, brother.
The only thing you can
Are you
pick.
guys even questionable?
The only thing you
Oh,
can
this one is got.
Nail
Put this on the floor.
polish, brother.
Very easily threatened, I see.
Brother, we're talking about nail polish.
Okay.
I seen a man.
No, sorry, the model over there. Sorry.
Yo, we all sat at the table at the same time to eat, right?
No, we
This
didn't.
guy.
No, we didn't.
I paid the fifth.
This guy.
I was like, yo, I'll hop in the trunk if it has to be. You know what I'm saying? We all end up squeezing up and then like fucking 3 o'clock in the morning. He has to drive the car. This is before, like, this is
Your
before.
cousin. Oh yeah, then.
This is before he had even had a thing.
What if I told you the car was feeling like a low rider when I drove it?
Probably the muffler was up in the ground.
At this point, he's still on G1. He doesn't even have license.
Up here.
Yeah.
As soon as everyone got in the car, right here, brother.
No, it was like this.
I speed
The moment they got in the back, it was like this. Muffler was dragging. He said, "What's that sound?"
Really? You're gonna waste your memory.
We got him, folks. That's it.
We got him.
Number 2?
Leave me alone.
I knew I was a driver because I'm at G1 and I'm driving 7 black men.
That's what I'm
Look
saying.
at
If
you.
police catch us, we're going down.
3 in the morning.
So who was sitting in laps?
Talk to them.
I mean,
Talk to them.
I was a driver.
Yo, when you drove, mans were sitting in laps.
Not I said the wall. I was up in front. You know the 5-year-old who's the
Sweating right now.
So all of a sudden, everybody drives shotgun. Everybody shotgun.
Manual stick, yeah?
Brother, I'll tell you right now, all I know, I was the driver. And he was beside me. That's all I know. That's all I know.